Changing your payout method on Fidelity is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Fidelity website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profiles section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout methods. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You may have options like bank transfer, check, or other payment methods. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your new payout method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payout method, review the changes for accuracy. Confirm your selection and save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Fidelity. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance.